really magical in your favor, there are less chances it will work because there are certain criteria for that. So when you talk about even for your cash, even for your money, even for your cash flow, even for your business, how do you talk about it? Do you have any idea that if you are undergoing some stress, you, you can express that stress because that's your complete right, but how you can translate in a positive manner that stress will get lost its way while being listened by the universe, and it reaches in the universe in a way that it remains only positive. Okay, so when a satellite is launched, okay, do you think that entire satellite lands in a new orbit? No, it keeps on opening as one new layer, it leaves one new layer, it goes with with this disappointment from this.
Many of you have the high energy, raise your hand, guys.
Welcome. So, welcome everyone. Welcome to 7 days of Money Foundation program. We have just started 7 days live program. I don't have clue that at what time it is going to be, but this is a return gift as a part of gratitude to all of you community member. If you deal with money, this program is going to set some magic in your everyday dealing. How do you deal with money? This is specially curated program to give my deepest heartfelt gratitude to all of you because you took time and you voted me to become amongst the top 10 super speaker of India. The competition started with 4 lakhs entry, 2 lakh 15,000 people got the opportunity, and then further the competition started becoming tougher about speaking, and the only core intent behind that was to make India the training capital of the world that it deserved to be. And further, what exactly happened? We had to go in a battle amongst 1,000 people. We were chosen. I was one of them, and thank you so much for your blessings and your good presence in our space. So after 1,000, then further the filtration happened, and I moved into top 250, and it was really toughest journey ever. Okay, where we had to speak less but we had to sum up a lot. Okay, so this was quite challenging. Lot many factors were there when it comes to speaking, and then there were around 5 to 6 rounds, and in every round there was a filtration criteria and numbers. And the day came few days back when we were asked to collect public vote, and I'm so much overwhelmed having heard that many people felt inspired by listening to the 90-second video which we had put, and the journey started. So the result is not out yet, but on the leaderboard, what I say that amongst 250, I was under top 10%. Not in fact the top 10 list, but in top 10% list. Okay, so that was the thing. Result is yet to out, but the way you have poured your love, so out of gratitude I have come over here to say thank you with this program, Money Foundation program. Now tell me, we speak and we talk with many people in different manners. Sometimes we crack jokes, we go witty, we put humorous statement. The power of word. I'm talking about the success at the sage mode. What does it mean? The sages were used to become sometime medium to bless kings and queens and prince and princess, to make them fulfilled. Okay, by their blessings, any miracle used to happen. What was the secret behind that? You think about the secret, and I'm going to number two. The number two, the world today, which is entering in the training mode, was happening exactly what they realized, that be very careful with the words what you use. It may become truth. That's true. It may become the truth, but on certain circumstances. If you continue to talk lie, ill will, and many other things, there are chances it may go towards the truth. But when it comes to demand something really, really magical in your favor, there are less chances it will work, because there are certain criteria for that. So when you talk about even for your cash, even for your money, even for your cash flow, even for your business, how do you talk about it? Do you have any idea that if you are undergoing some stress, you can express that stress, because that's your complete right, but how you can translate in a positive manner that stress will get lost its way while being listened by the universe, and it reaches in the universe in a way that it remains only positive. Okay, so when a satellite is launched, okay, do you think that entire satellite lands in a new orbit? No, it keeps on opening its one new layer. It leaves one new layer, it goes with another layer further, it leaves further outer layer, and it goes, and thereby it continues to go until it reaches the core where it was supposed to reach. In the similar manner, that happens with the words. Words, what you use, you attach feeling to it, you attach memory to it, and you attach some belief to it. Okay, and with these three layers, your words gets communicated with the universe. Okay, and the same words continue to radiate in your life in the similar manner, like a satellite goes out to the galaxy and it captures the photograph and everything, and it sends back, okay, the reality it sends back remotely to the earth, so that it becomes visible to you that how actually you wanted to receive in the similar manner whatever you communicated in the package of the words, in the package of feeling, memory, and meaning. Okay, it goes, gets radiate, and come back in manifold to you. Your words have power, but your words which have the power, it continue to get lost because you are not giving it value. When you yourself are not giving it a value, how can universe give value to it? For example, even if you are you have committed to someone that you will reach on time, and you say that just I'm there in the parking, I have reached, and in reality you are not reached and you are far away from the parking, maybe 1 kilometer away from the parking, but still you said, but that is not the reality. Okay, you told a lie. Okay, what is going to happen? The power of the word will get lost. This was not the condition with the sages. They were so much congruent that their words became so much powerful that whatever they used to utter, that was supposed to get materialized. And when you are losing the power from your word, how come money will supposed to come? So what the possibility you can own? You can own the possibility the moment you declare by next month, I'm going to make this amount. You have the power to make it because you declared it. But now it won't be possible because your words have lost the power. Long ago. But now we will have to work to grab back those power. Okay? So that tomorrow if you utter even a target, that gets completed. Okay, it's so easy. So how to get on this? That's the entire whole idea behind this program. So this was day one. You heard me about money foundation program. Come up with the questions, come up with more clarities which you are seeking, and we are taking a deep dive every single day and will understand the science that how to attract success at sage mode. When I say so, it means this is a money foundation program, and how a sage used to bless a prince or princess or king or queen that used to get materialized then and there. You are not less than a king or queen or prince or princess. So you yourself have to work as sage in your life, so that the moment you will utter the good thing about you, your business or your money or your cash flow, that is going to materialize then and there. But whatever the weed around those power is there, that have to be rooted out. How? That's what you are going to learn in this 7 days of money foundation program. Thank you so much for listening. With deepest gratitude for helping me. I am here. I can't thank you enough, but this is one token of gratitude from me to you. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care. Love, light, blessing. We'll talk to you soon.